अगर कल ताइवान, चाइना एंड साउथ कोरिया सडनली सेमीकंडक्टर चिप्स का एक्सपोर्ट बंद कर दें तो इंडिया की इकोनॉमी लिटरली कोलैप्स हो सकती है। फोन्स, लैपटॉप्स, कार्स, एटीएम्स, इवन एआई टूल्स, ऑलमोस्ट एवरीथिंग रन्स ऑन सेमीकंडक्टर चिप्स। एंड सच ये है कि भारत बहुत सालों तक इनमें से कुछ भी खुद नहीं बनाता था। एग्जैक्टली द सेम प्रॉब्लम हमने फूड के साथ फेस किया था आफ्टर इंडिपेंडेंस। एंड फिर आया ग्रेन रेवोल्यूशन एंड इंडिया नेवर लुक बैक। एंड टुडे we are stepping into a new revolution, not in wheat fields, but in silicon chips. India plans to allocate over 1 trillion rupees to boost domestic manufacturing and become a global manufacturing hub. Now, what is a semiconductor chip? Simple. It's the brain of every electronic device. It can be your laptop, your phone, your ATM, and the AI tools. And until recently, India made none of them. We are buying chips from Taiwan, South Korea, and China. And you will be shocked to know that nearly 24% of India's electronic import is dominated by these chips. But अब ये scenario change होगा. Micron Technology, which is a leading American semiconductor company, has already started making chips at its new factory in Sanad, Gujarat. The first batch was shipped to Dell for laptops sold right here in India. India currently makes 28 nanometer chips. Think of this like a highway with 4 lanes, and the world's best and current chips are 2 nanometer, which is like a 200 lane highway in the same space. India को गोल वहाँ तक पहुँचना है, and यही ambition है India's semiconductor mission phase 2 का. So why should you care? 3 reasons. 1. आपका next phone या लैपटॉप आपको cheaper rates पर मिल सकता है. Simply because when India makes its own chips, we don't have to pay import costs or depend on global supply chain crisis. 2. There will be lakhs of high-paying tech jobs. Just like in Semiconductor Mission 1, we trained over 67,000 engineers in chip design. And Semiconductor Mission 2 will go further and create great opportunities for Indians. 3. India will become a serious AI power. One thing is very clear here. You cannot build AI without chips. Every AI model, every data center, and every smart system needs them. If India controls its chips, India controls its AI future. So the Green Revolution made India food independent. It took 20 years and a lot of political will. Similarly, the Silicon Revolution, if succeeds, will make India technology independent. The vision is there, the factory is running, and the mission is live. So the question is, do you think India will get there? Comment below. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Jai Hind.